right, so first off, I want to thank everybody for showing up. We've got some information here that y'all find valuable and you can take away and use it in your own businesses and help us grow.
We'll draw in a vinyl job. So this is very accurate, what the measurements would be if you were taking them in the field. Real life, accurate measurements, breaking everything down for us.
So Dr. Seuss was quoted, "Why fit in when you were born to stand out?" How does that apply to me? The purpose of this presentation is to help y'all understand we are going to stand out if we want to, right? And by the end of the presentation, I hope that y'all will have some idea of where y'all are.
Well, let's talk about targeting and how that matters. Just to do something blindly, anyone that wants to hit a target, you're gonna have to aim, and you need to know where that target is.
I'm officially 1,651 miles from home. I just looked it up. Were you here last year? No. Oh, good. By the way, who was here last year? You all know what I'm going to do. Because the fence industry has been good enough to me that my life has changed when I figured out that leadership and culture is the most powerful part of this. Just from getting together every Monday and not talking about work, but talking culture. I love it. Well, hey, Robert, let's call it a wrap, man. Peace out, homie.
The other days was awesome. A lot of like meeting some cool people, learning some new stuff, and playing some cornhole. So it's been like a big W today.
Look at that.
There is a truly Canadian basket that you will not have in your country.
Hey, I'm taking this back to America.